Well done, Charlotte. All right, Mike, I'm there. Right, Anya, what do you think of Charlotte's performance tonight?
Wow, I wasn't expecting that one. You've got a really pretty voice.
Thank you.
And I can hear that you've got a lot of power there. And I can see you're obviously nervous, but I think with like quite a bit of work, I think you could come out your shell and I think you could surprise yourself, because I can hear you've got a lot of potential and you've got a lot of power behind you, but you're not ready to release it yet. And I really loved it. It was an amazing audition. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think of the performance?
I thought it was a really great song choice. You've got a really current tone and you've got so much potential. I like how you changed the melody up and made it your own in places. That shows that you've got huge potential to kind of be really, really creative with what you do, and we love that here. And I think you handled your nerves really, really well, considering that this is completely new to you. Everyone is new to you, and you were first up. I think you composed yourself incredibly well on that stage. And the more that you're on there, and the more you get to know us, the more you're going to rock it out on that stage. I could just feel it. Well done.
Charlotte, you should be very, very impressed with what you've just done, because for everyone tonight, it's not easy getting up on that stage. It's a new environment, it's new people in front of you. It's like, oh my God, who are these people? But when you get to know us, honestly, I'm a crazy person. A lot of people say, you know, we're real people. We're all people that are singers ourselves and things like that. So we know what you're going through. These two especially have been through a previous process. So they know what it's like to build confidence and things like that. And there's a lot you can relate to. What I will say, you've got something very, very unique in your tone. And at the moment, what I could see tonight, and it might be because it's your first audition, but what I could see was that I can see straight away you're holding it all in and you're not projecting fully what you were capable of. But there is so much more behind what you can do. So the only thing I would say going from here, if you are successful tonight, is just literally, I did say it to somebody I worked with in the week, let yourself go. Just let it out. Don't worry about what's around you, because the more that you let out, the more of your voice we're going to hear. You know, that makes sense. So don't be frightened to hold back, and that little uniqueness in your voice, keep playing with it. And don't be frightened of making your own little twist to the song, all right? Because that's going to bring more of your originality, all right? Well done. Beautiful stuff. Well done, Charlotte.